The Bold Buddies program is a program for cancer survivors, people who are in treatment, and for their families. I had my journey through cancer myself, so I was thankful that I came through it, so I wanted to volunteer. It's rewarding to me to give the support to people who really appreciate it, and it makes me feel good myself. It's important because you have a lot of people that don't have family that even live here, and they're going through this cancer by themselves. So we give them the support. We go with them to their chemo treatments, sometimes to their doctor's appointment, and this helps them. And because we've been through it ourselves, they feel they're not alone. And also they have all these programs that are for free. You have crocheting, jewelry making, you have yoga. All these programs are offered for free. I love the fact that they have something almost every day. And why not come? It's free.